The MultiMaster from FEIN, the perfect tool for any do-it-yourself job. MultiMaster makes renovation and finishing jobs easier and more efficient. With the right attachments, the MultiMaster can handle any challenge with ease. Already in use all around the world, proven 1,000,000 times over, made in Germany. Switching tools is fast and convenient thanks to our StarLock system. It couldn't be easier. Its extremely smooth operation guarantees utmost precision. Thanks to its multitude of possibilities, the MultiMaster can handle nearly any material. Even hard-to-reach spots are no problem for the easy-to-handle sawing attachment. No matter whether it's wood or metal, you want to meet the highest expectations. That's why professionals trust the MultiMaster. The MultiMaster makes easy work of polishing jobs that used to require maximum effort for excellent results and a quick and easy shine. When individual tiles need to be replaced in the bathroom, MultiMaster is the ideal choice. Cutting and rasping is easy with the right tool. And to get rid of unsightly grout or to replace a stained carpet, MultiMaster is the tool of choice for made-to-measure solutions. MultiMaster, thousands of uses, and we're just getting started.